Hey everyone, my name is Jorge Trujillo, and in this opportunity, I go to talk about full stack development. Okay, let's start. What is full stack development? To, to understand this topic, first we have to know about some concepts like front end or client side and back end or the server side. The front end or client side are all those technologies that run on the client side. That is, all those technologies that run on the side of the web browser, generalizing more than anything in three languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The backend or server side are all those technologies that run on the server side. The backend is the area that is dedicated to the logical part of a website. It is responsible for everything to work as it should. The backend works with programming languages. The most used at present are PHP, Java, ASP.NET, Ruby, and Python. We also have heard about the three-tier architecture for web development and implementation. The first is the presentation layer, which is concerned with UI-related issues. The second is the business logical layer, which is concerned with data validation and dynamic content processing. And the last one is the data access layer, which deals with data persistence and data access through an AP. Now, the business logical layer is implemented in a server where we use languages like what I mentioned before. This server, in turn, is talking with a back-end database management system to exchange data to generate a front-end display of data to the user. This has been the traditional approach that has been used successfully in web development. But in this approach, we have some problems because we need a specialist in each of these three layers. So, for this reason, there are an increased trend toward full stack web development, where a single line which is used for implementation over the entire stack, so you could be having the front end implemented as a single page application using one of the JavaScript frameworks like Angular, JS. Then the server side could be implemented using technologies like Node.js and Node.js modules. Then also depends on JavaScript. Then the data access or data storage part implemented using technologies like MongoDB, which works based on storing JSON data. And the form JSON data is the standard format for data among the three layers. Then the form JSON can be rendered either on the standard web browser or on the mobile device using one of the multi-platform hybrid mobile application development environments. It is what represents the picture that I have showed to you. So in this particular specialization, in the last picture, we are targeting the entire stack. We will look at HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And then we will look at web, UI development using Bootstrap. Then we will look at front-end JavaScript frameworks like Angular JS. Then the next step, we look at Node.js, and Node.js modules, and also review as a service, and also review data support through MongoDB on the server side. Okay, my classmate, I found a lot of information about this topic, but for me, this is the most concise um, uh, concept about what I found. Um, Thank you for watching, and it has been my presentation. I hope that it can help us to understand about this interesting topic. Um, Sorry for my English. I I keep trying to improve in my language, but I hope that my presentation was useful for you. Thank you very much.